How to create poll in Telegram channel. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Telegram and then go to the channel that you want to create a poll in. Once you're here, click on the paperclip icon at the bottom right of the screen. Then choose poll. And here you will be able to add new poll, from which you can add the poll question, the answer options. You can add an option also. You can add up to 8 more options. And from the settings section at the bottom, you can see that this poll can be multiple answers or it can be a quiz mode. And the poll in quiz mode have one correct answer. Users can't revoke their answers, and the answer you will choose it from here. As you can see, if you turn on the quiz mode toggle, it asks you to choose the right answer. As you can see, you can choose it here or here. It also will give you the option to add an explanation when it's set to quiz mode, as the Telegram tells you, users will see this text after choosing the wrong answer. Good for educational purposes, meaning after they answer they will see why it's true or false. And once you do that, once you create everything, click on create at the top right of the screen and your poll will be created. And as you can see, you can just vote as everyone else will. So that was it for this video. That's how you can create a poll in Telegram channel. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.